Good morning, friends. I have this plant. I don't know what's the name of this plant. And look at the flowers. They are start blooming. Not all yet, but they are start blooming. So look at it. So pretty. I don't know what is the name of this plant. Pretty, pretty. Mm. So thank you guys. So beautiful.